Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat datang channel Amai Hebat Malaysia. Jangan sedih. Hari ini saya akan main dengan UAS Hebat Palestin. Say hi.
Hai, Botami.
Oh Allah. Okay guys, hari ini kita akan main game Racer vs Police AI. So the police is the day. Oh, tak faham lah guys. Tak apa, kita main je, tekan play. Yes, sekarang kita tak main.
All units be advised. I'm approaching a dangerous street racer.
Game in progress.
Dispatch, I'm gonna need some more backup. Suspect is still running. Dispatch, I still have no visual of the suspect.
Dia pakai titania selected.
Hello.
There's the suspect. Visual contact has been established.
Sana ni guys. Kau boleh tengok saya sebab dah ada orang main ni. Nika racing next round. Oh,
Box the car in. Don't let the driver take. Let's have a chat.
korang tunggu kat sini. Okay guys, tengok lagi.
Driver arrested.
Polis menang guys.
Investigators are en route. Please secure scene.
So nampaknya saya dengan UAS tak tahu lagi lepas kita the police win. The racer was arrested. Macam mana nak main game ni guys? Okay, yang racer kena lari, yang polis kena kejar racer. Okay, macam kita tekan, kita claim dulu guys, claim. Okay, this place. Your role is polis. UAS dapat racer guys. Jadi UAS kena lari daripada polis lah guys. So disebabkan saya polis, saya akan kejar UAS guys.
The wanted suspect is in this area. Proceed with caution.
Saya tak tahu UAS kat mana guys. Dah.
There's the suspect. Visual contact has been established.
Mama Mia.
Okay guys, jangan risau guys. Saya boleh kejar UAS dalam sekejap saja. Sebab
Dispatch, the suspect just crashed.
Get out.
The suspect is slowed down.
Not too late.
Alah, bastard. Kenapa dia yang dapat tangkap? Aduh, ini semua salah korang. Tak adalah saja. Okay. Nampaknya UAS kena tangkap guys. The police win. UAS. Ayo UAS. Saya lah guys MVP. Let's go. Open. Kesian je. Macam mana ni? Kesian dia. Lah guys. Polis lagi. Tak apa guys. Hai. Okay guys, sekarang misi kita adalah untuk tangkap
The
orang.
wanted suspect is in this area. Proceed with caution.
Allah, UAS ngalak guys. Lah mana Rachel? Mana Rachelnya guys?
I'm still looking for the racer.
Okay, dah jumpa.
There's the suspect. Visual contact has been
Okay
established.
guys. Ada polis nitro. Kat sana. Okay guys, kalau kita nak MVP, kita kena pergi sana. Kena tangkap cepat-cepat. Okay.
There are roadblocks ahead.
Tak
Stand by.
boleh. Kena cepat.
Oh, that was a big
dia
collision.
ngelak.
The suspect is slowed down.
Okay guys. Kejar. Okay. Berhenti. Woi.
I need more backup now. We can't let the suspect get away. Box the car in. Don't let the driver take off.
Tak nak. Okay, dia ni level up bastard. Rest. Okay, siapa MVP guys?
Pursuit stand down.
Okay,
Suspect is in
mantap.
custody. Secure the scene supervisor en route advisor needed
Mantap,
for
siapa ni?
documentation.
Rambut macam tu. Aduh.
Dia keluar balik.
Just the police win, guys. Hehehe. So saya MVP lagi. So lag guys, lag.
The street racer
Saya
has
akan
been
tutup
reported around
sampai
this area.
sampai.
I'm looking at the suspect. Visual contact has been established.
Korang tu. Yes. Yes guys. I am the racer. Jadi saya kena lari daripada polis lah. Pasal
The wanted suspect is in this area. Proceed with caution. I see the racer. I'll stay behind the driver.
yeah guys, backup.
My vehicle
Kapal
is wrecked.
perang
I'm gonna need a tow truck.
Okay guys, jangan saya tak ada kalah guys. Allah. No. Go. Wait, betul lah. Tak boleh buat apa-apa je. Tidak. Okay lah guys, sampai sini sajalah video saya untuk hari ini.
Stand down.
Sebab saya
Suspect
kali
is in
rekod lama
custody.
sangat guys.
Secure the
Okay,
scene
jumpa
supervisor
lain
en
kali
route
guys.
advised and
Hari
needed
ni,
for
lagi pun ini
documentation.
video pertama saya pada tahun ini. Assalamualaikum, jumpa lagi.